Hi again. The next item on the list is pCloud, so let's get into that. So I sent you the invite and I can see that you've accepted that. So you should, if memory serves me right, have been able to set up a password username combination, I'm pretty sure. So if you have, where am I? Sign in. And then log in. So once you've logged in, you'll have a cut down version of what I can see. So you'll be inside Paws Pets Retreat like this on a browser. So in here, if I click on Paws Photos, you were talking about facilities, and the best we've got at the moment is a photo of, that's what it used to look like. That's probably a more recent photo. Possibly I took that photo when I was there last, and I've uploaded that. Apparently there's some better photos on the PC that is on site, but until we get a new staff member, I haven't been successful in getting someone on that computer to get it off, but we'll get there. But anyway, this is about pCloud. So the beauty of this is that it's very easy. So this is like a directory, so you can go back one level. It's just like a file structure. So if I go to stock photography, these are the folders that I set up for you, and you can rename these if you want to organize it differently, but I would put any previews in there or any free images, or you can have another folder, images, and then purchases. If you do purchase an image from Shutterstock or anywhere, I would upload the photo into here and leave the file name intact, because it's got an actual number on the file name. So you think, oh yeah, that photo, and you can go back and see it on the library by just putting in the number. Excuse me. So that's kind of pCloud. You can share a download link, invite people to folders, download resources. So I won't bore you with those details, but you can use those, which gives you a bit of flexibility and control for transferring files to other people. The other part or component is pCloud Drive. So this is my pCloud that I've logged into. I did install it on your computer, I think. So if you go to the pcloud.com and you download pCloud Drive for Mac, that one there, and download it and install it. Once you run it, you'll be able to log in with your same credentials here. So you go to Preferences, I believe, and in here, if I go to Account, you would get a login screen, and then once you're in this Preferences, there's a few things that you can do, but I don't think you really actually need to come in here, but it's good to know that, log out, etc. But once you've loaded pCloud Drive, and you've got it up here like that, and you've logged in, you then have a pCloud Drive folder here. So that it'll be like this for you. So you'll have the folders exactly as I just mentioned. So these don't have anything in them at the moment, so I can't drill down into them, but it works just like Windows does. So this is linked to the online browser. So if you add a photo here, it'll turn up on the browser, and vice versa. This is really good for quickly accessing images and grabbing them and loading them into programs, etc. If you want to browse all of these images that we have in the cloud, the best place to do it is by signing in here, because it gives you that visual. So that's kind of it at the moment. If you've got any questions about pCloud, let me know, and we'll go from there. Okay, cheers.